Do you do the same workouts over and over? Or have you been following the same exercise routine for months and even years? If so, you better stop what you are doing and start changing your exercise program every 4 to 6 weeks. The reason for this is that we adapt very quickly to the exercises and workouts that we are doing. Therefore, if you keep doing the same workouts over and over again, you will decrease the effectiveness of your workouts and your results will plateau due to your body's amazing ability to adapt to any given training load. Therefore, we want to continually challenge the body to overcome a new set of demands, and changing your exercise program every 4 to 6 weeks is one of the best ways to do this, as it enables you to challenge your body with different exercises, rep ranges, set amounts, rest break durations, and also training techniques such as supersets, giant sets, and drop sets as examples. These changes to your exercise routine forces your body to overcome and adapt to a new stimulus, forcing it to get stronger, faster, and fitter than before you once again challenge it with a new stimulus. So get out of your comfort zone and challenge your body with new exercises and workouts, and start changing your program every 4 to 6 weeks.